Dear students, take question number 3 of exercise 7.3. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7? 5 is not given. If no digit is repeated, repetition not allowed. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options available, but required to fill only 3 places. Unit place, 10 place, 100 place to form 3-digit numbers. Now, it is given that your number must be even number. Therefore, unit place can be filled only with 2, 4 or 6. Unit place can be filled in 3 ways. That is, we can put either 2 or 4 or 6 in 3 ways. Now, after putting that even digit at unit place, we have only 5 options available. Among 2, 4, 6, 1 will be placed at here, and after that we have 5 options available for 10 place. So 10 place can be filled in 5 ways. Now, for 100 place we have only 4 options available because repetition not allowed. Which digits are placed here and here, that never can be placed here. This place can be filled in 4 ways. When we fill all places, then our job is complete. Therefore, where is compulsion? There is product 60. So there are 60 3-digit numbers possible, which are even and are made from digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Here I have not used any NPR. Therefore, analyze question in your mind and write that things which you deem fit. Now, take another question. Question number 10. How many of the distinct? Remember that in any question of permutation combination, when phase occurs, how many ways or how many, that means we are going to solve question of permutation, that is arrangement. And when there is a phrase, we can select, that is combination or selection. Here written as how many, that is arrangement or permutation, how many words with in how many of the distinct permutations of the letters in the Mississippi do 4 eyes not come together? There is a word M I S S I S S I P P I Mississippi. Before solving this question, you are required to understand a concept. Among n things, if p things are alike of one kind, q things are alike of second kind, r things are alike of third kind, and so on, and all others are different. Then total number of arrangements taking all at a time is equal to factorial m upon factorial p factorial q factorial r. Here 1 2 3 4 I occurs 4 times. I letter is a thing which occurs 4 times, and all eyes are identical. We cannot differentiate between two eyes. So here I are alike 4 times. Or 4 eyes are alike, 4 yes are alike, m is different. So here we have 4 things alike of one kind I, and 4 things alike of one kind S, and 2 things are alike of third kind P. P occurs 2 times. Both P's are similar. There is no any difference between 2 P's. So therefore here we will use this concept. Also remember that if there are n things and we are required to arrange all things and repetition not allowed, then for first place we have n option, second n minus 1, third n minus 2, and last 1. So therefore if we want to arrange all n things and repetition not allowed, that will be product of all n things, that is factorial n. But if repetitions are allowed, if many characters, many things are alike, then we divide by that numbers. So now you are required to find all such arrangements where 4 eyes never come together. That is difficult job. For that we break the question and find total number of arrangement without any restriction and total number of arrangement in which all four eyes come together, and then subtract these two, we will get our result where all four eyes never come together. That is, 2 eye may come together, 3 eye may come together, but all four eyes never come together. So therefore, using this concept, total number of letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. This will be called as M, among which S 4, I 4, P 2, and M is different. 4, M 1. Now, total number of arrangements of all 11 letters is equal to factorial 11 divided by factorial 4 factorial 4 factorial 2. 4 4 2. 4 things are alike of one kind. Yes, 4 things are alike of second kind. I. 2 things are alike of third kind. E. All other are different. Factorial n, total number of letters, total number of things divided by number of alike quantities. Now, suppose all four eyes come together. So then your Mississippi can be written as I, all four eyes come together always and behave like a single character, because all four eyes always exist at one place. Now, remaining letters will be M, S, 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 4 S, and 2P. 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, 4, 11. So this behave like single character. Remember that in permutation, combination, arrangement, selection, when some quantities always occurs together, they behave like single entity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 these letters plus this behave like one quantity. We have only 8 letters now, not 11, because all four eyes become single. The total number of arrangements when all four eyes come together is equal to factorial 8, not factorial 11. Again listen, 4 eyes become single entity and the remaining 7, 1 plus 7 become 8. Factorial 8 divided by factorial 4 for 4s, factorial 2 hard to piece, and not factorial 4 again because 4 i's become single entity. So therefore required answer, that is in which all 4 i's not come together. This is number of arrangement with no any restriction. This is number of arrangement where all i's come together. Difference of these two will give number of arrangements where all 4 i's never come together. So this is equal to factorial 11 upon factorial 4, factorial 4, factorial 2 minus factorial 8 upon factorial 4, factorial 2. After that, I leave homework for you. Simplify this and find exact answer. Now, all of you will solve exercise 7.3 also, and if there is any unsolved question, please ask me. Thank you.